You can quickly clean that yellow collar, and your shirt will look as good as new. Pour about a tablespoon of salt into the sink. Add a scoop of detergent for white fabrics. Pour in about a tablespoon of white wine, then add the same amount of vinegar. Fill it all up with warm water. Soak the shirt in this mixture, making sure the collar stays submerged in the solution. Salt, detergent, white wine, and vinegar all have cleaning properties. These products remove stains and whiten the fabric. Leave the shirt for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work on the stain. Then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to remove the mixture. Wash the shirt according to the care label in the washing machine, using detergent for light-colored clothes. Dry the shirt in fresh air, preferably in the sun. After drying, you won't see any yellow stains on the collar. This simple mixture makes your shirt look brand new.